Okay, if I look at the daily chart, should I also look at the weekly chart? Should I also look at the 4-hourly chart? That means the lower time frame and the higher time frame. I think that is a personal choice. And obviously it depends on your trading horizon as well. So if you, let's say for example, if I'm a position trader, my trades I typically hold for 1 year or maybe even more than 1 year. Okay, for example, you might think that, hey, if that's the case, Philip, you should be looking at weekly charts, right? So, however, I would say that I will continue to look at daily charts, even if I'm a long-term position trader, because straight away, the daily chart allows me as a long-term position trader to be able to see all the fine-tuned support resistance level. So for me, it is easy because even with a lot of movements in the chart with a lower time frame, I am still able to see where the key support resistance or where the key trend lines are. But for some of you, if you are not so well versed in identifying those key levels, maybe going up to a higher time frame, let's say if you're long-term position trading, going up to a higher time frame or weekly chart might be able to help you see those key support resistance more clearly. So that is basically what I would think is the main reason for going multiple time frames. If from one single time frame you are not able to see enough information to help you make your trading decision, then you might want to try going into multiple time frame. Or another example of multiple time frame is, for example, you use the daily chart, okay, to look at the general trend. After that, you go down to a lower time frame of, let's say, 4-hourly chart or hourly chart to look at where are those minor support resistance level, mainly for entry trading setup purpose. That means you want to fine-tune your exact entry level. That's why you go down to one lower time frame to find the most ideal exact spots to get into. So if you do not really need to get into this very, very specific point of entry and exit, then you might not need to go down to lower time frame.